to OneStopBod with me, Amber. Today we're gonna be dancing to LALA by Myke Towers. So getting a little bit of a Latin groove in there, so just have fun with it. Love your body. It's a little bit of a core workout, so we're really gonna be thinking about pulling that belly button back and up towards our spine, like you got a little hook coming through. I don't know, it might be a little morbid, but that's okay. That's the idea, right? That we're going, pulling it back and so, if you're ready, let's get moving. All right, how does it start? Slow to the side, here we go. 2 touches. We're gonna step on this foot, bring it forward. Just bring it back. Again, slow. I promise it'll speed up, it won't be quite so painful. But this time, bring it down and back. Same side, a little faster. Side it back, back, back. Other side, let's go. Thinking about what this is doing. Or don't, I don't know. Wherever you're at today. Front and back, let's go. 2 touches behind. Dip it low. Again, each side. Watch me step it outside, center, center, and what? Take it back, back, back from the top. Let's go. Little slinky. Knees, knock. Other side, let's go. Breathing. Take it back. To the front, let's go. Or the side, I suppose. Dip it down, a little lower. Step it out to the side. If you want, you can leave the floor here. Chest stays out. March it back. From the top. Yeah. Come on. Shampoo the hair. Yes. Other way. Take it back. Side, we're gonna finish strong. Again, you can just do this little flick here if you want, or you can leave the floor. Explode! Feeling that deep crease in those hip joints. Beautiful, everyone. Thank you so much.